And hey, well, this is Francisco from Wonder Dr. Phone, and if you're dealing with an Android device that refuses to turn on at all, and especially all of a sudden, even if you end up charging it, finding out why it won't turn on is not an easy task by any means. But in this video, I hope to offer some methods of fixing that exact issue. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. And if you cannot find any reason why your Android phone will not switch on, here are going to be some possible reasons as to why that could be happening. For one, your Android phone is simply frozen in power off or sleep mode, in which case it fails to switch itself on or wake itself up when you initially initiate it. Or it could also be that your phone's battery may just be out of charge and just needs to charge up. The operating system could also have installed incorrectly and as a result gotten corrupted by some means, and the telltale sign of this is that if you manage to switch on your Android phone, it just ends up freezing or crashing as soon as you do so. It could also be that your device is just clogged up with dust and lint, which is making the hardware have some issues there and causing it not to work. Your power button could also be broken, which causes it not to be able to trigger the necessary action needed in order to power up your Android phone. So check also to see if your connectors have no carbon buildup, which will cause your phone to not be charged properly at all. This can also end up happening. Now, we want to offer a very simple solution to this issue through our own Dr. Phone software. So do make sure to download it through the links in the description. So step one is going to be to open up Dr. Phone on your computer, and then once you do, go ahead and tap on repair option from the interface. Now connect your Android and mobile device to your computer, and then you're going to find a range of options here. So go ahead and tap on Android repair right here and hit the start button so you can proceed to fix your Android device that simply refuses to turn on without much hassle. Now go over the device information window. Just make sure that all of this information about your device is correct before initiating the download, and then click on the next button in order to move forward from there. And if it asks you to put your phone into download mode, it'll give you the instructions right on screen, which are going to be very easy to follow in this instance. And once your phone enters download mode, if needed, click on the next button in order to begin. And it's going to verify your device right after the download, and then finally allow you to finish the installation. And once that's done, your phone should be turning on again. Now, here are some other things that you can try without the use of other software, but it's generally not quite as effective. But these can at least work with non-Samsung phones as well, if anything. So for any Android device, just go ahead and remove the battery if possible for your particular device, and then leave it out for at least 30 minutes or so, and put the battery back in and try to turn it back on. And if that didn't work, go ahead and press and hold down the power and volume down buttons at the same time for about 15 to 30 seconds in order to reboot the device. And should the first two steps not work, just charge up your Android phone in order to get it out of the startup loop. And you can also opt to use a different battery just in case your current one is the source of the issue. And if there are any hardware connected to it, such as a micro SD card for instance, just go ahead and remove that and then try to turn your phone back on again. And start your Android device in safe mode, and by pressing down the volume down buttons and the home buttons right at the same time until your phone starts up in safe mode. And should the first 5 steps not work for you, then you might have to perform a hard reset. And do keep in mind that this is going to erase pretty much everything on your phone in case of anything, so do be careful with that last one. And the process of doing so is also going to vary depending on which Android device you're using. And if that still doesn't work, then there's pretty much only one thing left that you can do, and that is just to send your Android phone to the repair center closest to you, should none of these steps work for you. There are going to be several reasons as to why your Android phone might not be turning on at this point, and the problem could be either hardware or software related, which could be prevented. Here are going to be some useful tips in order to protect your Android phone moving forward. And when it comes to hardware issues, do remember that the components that make up your Android phone are going to be pretty sensitive. To protect these components as well as possible from being damaged, just use a pretty nice case with it in order to avoid any kind of accidental hardware issues. You can also take apart your Android phone and then just clean it from the inside in order to avoid any kind of dust from clogging the phone and overheating it. So do look out for that as well. And as for software issues, it is always recommended to download apps from the Google Play Store rather than any other entity. This way, you can be sure that your apps come from a trusted source for the most part. I just read the app's permission in order to see which parts of the operating system and your personal information it is that you're going to be giving access to said app. And do make sure to install a reliable antivirus and anti-malware software to safeguard your Android phone from malicious attacks in case of anything too. And make sure you update your operating system, software, and apps in order to make sure that you have the latest version of each one, and because this will also help a lot when it comes to keeping the best and most secure version of all of your software and operating systems that you may be using. The developer may have fixed the bugs that have caused problems on Android phones in the past if we're talking about in the apps or anything like that. It is always important to note that your phone contains some important data. Therefore, when your Android phone won't turn on, do not just give up. There are going to be plenty of tools and ways at your disposal to recover back your files and phone. And that's it. And I hope that these tips and solutions were helpful to you. And do make sure to leave us a like if you liked this video, and leave us a comment if you might have any questions at all that need answering, and don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this. So now, until next time, enjoy.